We are packing.
Packing!
Today is leaving the boat for summer day because we have a new adventure in store. Where are we going? What are we doing?
I'm going to Chicago and then to Wisconsin and then back to Chicago and then to like Michigan, Miller Beach, Indiana, and then to Michigan. And then back to Miller Beach, Indiana, and then back to Chicago, and then back up to Wisconsin, but all the way up, and then over to the Upper Peninsula, and then
over to Detroit. And then we go pick up a sailboat.
Yeah. And then I'll probably pop out to Massachusetts for a little bit during that time, just like a few days. And then we'll live on a sailboat. And this is all gonna happen in 8 weeks.
Yeah. A funny turn of events, we're gonna take care of our friend's boat this summer. So, hot van life is going to be hot sailboat and van life. So, here we go. Exciting,
so
isn't
closing
it?
down this sailboat.
We're vacuum sealing stuff, exiting the water, taking down the sails a little later.
Yep.
And now we're doing laundry, and most importantly, we're packing everything we think we need into 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have a suitcase of my performance stuff. It looks kind of chaotic, but I think we're gonna do it. We're doing a great job, honestly. Couple more boat repairs today, even though that was not on the docket, but they came in and we should. And so we're just, you know, getting her ready. Well, follow the adventure. It's gonna be a hot van somewhere in the Midwest again. It's gonna be so much fun to be like on a boat on Lake Michigan on our old dock and to share with you some off-grid van adventures in the Great Lakes. So, keep it posted.